good old quantity ordered and price each column we're going to have to calculate. And we want a sum of that for each person. So say quantity ordered times price each as order, let's say order subtotal. Okay, and we want to grab that from our order details table, since that's where those columns are. And then let's see, what else do we want in here? Let's just keep it at that for the moment, although we are going to have to group by customer number. Okay, so we are going to need a little more at the moment. We're going to need to join in our orders table so that we can access our customer number column. So it'll be od.order_number equals o.order_number. And this will be grouped by o.customer number. All right, let's run it and see if we get some results. And we do. So these are the order subtotals per each customer. And we could include the customer number in our select list, but let's just hold off for now. Okay, so that's the first query. Now, let's find out what is the amount of payments made by each customer. Let's grab that query. So we're going to say select sum of amount. This is going to be the amount from payments, P. Okay, and we'll say as payment subtotal. And then we also need a group by p.customer number. Okay, so now we've got this, and we need to be able to link these two together so that they're looking at the same customer at the same time. So to do that, let's go ahead and write our main query here, which is going to be showing the columns that we want to display in the end. We want to show customer number, and we know that we want to show customer name. That's going to be from customers, C. Okay, and then it's going to be pretty much like this. Let me try to do some formatting here so it all looks lovely. There we go. So pretty much we want to say where this first query here, which is for the orders, is greater than this query here. So we've got this, scrolling down a little bit, but not that much. And let's tab this out. There we go. Like that. All right. And that's the information that we want to see, where the amount that a customer has ordered is greater than the amount that they have paid. Now we have to link together one last thing, which is that this isn't necessarily looking at the same customer as this is at the same time. So in order to do that, we're going to have to correlate them with a where clause here. And we'll say where o.customer number equals c.customer number. Okay, c.customer number linking up with this up here. And then we need to do the same here, although it'll be p.customer number equals c.customer number. Okay, so that way, when we're comparing this query with this query, they are both looking at the same customer number because they're both looking at c.customer number, which comes from our customers table in the outer query. Okay, let's run this now, and there we go. So there is a list of the customer numbers and the customer names for all the customers that fit this criteria, where the amount that they have ordered is greater than the amount that they have paid. All right, so that is it for this query right here. We have subqueries going on in our where clause, and we're comparing them with each other. We had to correlate them with the where clauses here so that they'd be looking at the same customer number at the same time. That's it for challenge number 19. Check out our Intro to SQL Querying free course if you haven't already. It's a great starter course that you can go ahead and learn the basics in. And then we have our Ultimate SQL Querying package, Really, this is the best course, I think, on the market because we built it to be that way so that you can get all the hands-on practice you need to really master SQL querying. That's it for today. See you next time.